Hello there, it's Abhinav Niraula. I'm back here with my new video. Guys, it's time for us to get ready to witness another super competitive test series of this ongoing test season. Well, England are going to face Sri Lanka in their home conditions this time around. The series is approaching quite steadily, so let's preview the first among two test matches. Do like, share and comment down below. Subscribe to my channel as well. On 14th of January 2021, the Galle International Stadium Galle is going to host this encounter. This venue is like a conventional Asian venue which supports spinners from the latter part of the first day only, so do expect spinners to play the most important role in directing the verdict of the matchup. Just like the typical Asian pitches, do expect pacers to not get a lot of assistance from the rough. Bowling within that nagging channel shall be the only way to succeed for new ball pacers. With the old ball, do expect pacers that mix it up consistently to properly set the batsmen up for wickets to succeed. The strategy of bowling bouncers on dead pitches as such shall not help pacers at all. Do expect cracks to begin opening from the third day itself in that brown and dry pitch. Spinners shall get necessary amount of turn and grip on that surface. The batsmen that play spin quite well are expected to score runs easily on such surface. England's batting lineup tend to struggle against spinners in spin bowling friendly conditions. Similarly, their bowling lineup doesn't possess gigantic spin bowlers as well. Hence, the curators are expected to be demanded for the preparation of such a pitch from the Sri Lankan side. The first day shall not assist the bowling unit a lot. Plus, it shall be really very difficult to bat in the fourth innings on a pitch that is expected to deteriorate as the match progresses on, so do expect the toss winning side to opt to bat first. Sri Lanka, Dimuth Karunaratne captain, Kusal Perera, Kusal Mendis, Dinesh Chandimal, Angelo Matthews, Dhananjay De Silva, Nirosan Dicovella wicket-keeper, Wanindu Hasaranga De Silva, Viswa Fernando, Asita Fernando and Kasun Rajitha. This such bowling unit, which is immensely inexperienced as a whole at the moment, proved to be the weakest link of this side throughout the South Africa tour, but do expect the same lineup to perform wonders in their home conditions. Hasaranga looked promising in South Africa as well. Just imagine what can he do in spin friendly conditions. Dhananjay De Silva as an offie can be equally useful in Sri Lankan conditions. Angelo Matthews and De Silva are expected to re-enter into the side after being proven fully fit to play. Each and every batter except Mendis has scored maximum runs off late, so Mendis, an extremely talented fellow who has underperformed throughout his career, is the weak link in the batting lineup. Karunaratne as an opener is one of the best going around, but are his standards similar as a leader as well? Time for him to deliver the answer. England, Dom Sibley, Jack Crawley, Joe Root captain, Johnny Bairstow, Ben Foakes, Josh Butler wicket-keeper, Chris Woakes, Moeen Ali, Jack Leach, Stuart Broad and James Anderson. Since the likes of Archer and Stokes will not be available for this tour, their spinners need to assist their pacers a lot more than what they usually do. I ain't sure if the legendary pace bowling duo of Anderson and Broad will be that successful in this tour with Kookaburra balls in their hands, and that too on such conditions. Do expect Moeen to play ahead of Bess in this matchup, as the former is much more experienced than the latter when it comes to bowling in spin friendly conditions, and also as Moeen is a very good player against spin bowling. Very dissimilar to that, most batters namely Sibley, Bairstow, Foakes and Woakes aren't that comfortable against spin bowling in spin friendly conditions. Unfortunately, the batting lineup of England hasn't remained as good as it was before. England would want their strength, that is their top 3 pacers, to feature alongside a couple of spinners even in such conditions, so do expect them to play only 5 batters. It ain't looking good for England at the moment. The Sri Lankan Lions are indeed the Lions at the home. Unfortunately for England, the conditions and the circumstances aren't looking too good ahead of this matchup. I'm expecting Sri Lanka to pull this match off in a quite comfortable manner. Take care.